Unlock the future of effortless payments right here in India with Apple Pay. First, let's talk about what you'll need. Apple Pay works seamlessly on your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, and even your Mac. Ensure your device's software is up to date for the best experience. Now for the setup, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus button in the upper right corner to add a new card. You'll be prompted to choose between adding a debit or credit card. You can either use your device's camera to scan your card details or enter them manually. Next, your bank will verify your card. This usually involves a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number or email. Once verified, accept the terms and conditions, and your card is ready to use with Apple Pay. Making a payment is incredibly simple at a participating merchant. Look for the contactless payment symbol. To pay with your iPhone, just double-click the side button, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and hold your device near the terminal. For Apple Watch users, double-click the side button and hold the display near the reader. Many leading banks in India now support Apple Pay, making contactless transactions more accessible than ever. Embrace the convenience and security of Apple Pay for all your everyday transactions, right here in India.